were done doing this stupid. Isn't that what you told me last night? But you're still here.
Hold up. Pause the chaos for a second. We're only 20 seconds in, and this already feels less like a disagreement and more like a season finale of teen drama, Alleyway Edition. Police just arrived, and everyone suddenly has a different version of the story. Buckle up, because sorting truth from noise is about to become the real challenge.
I ain't do those stupid shit.
No, because why are they lying?
All right, what's going on?
She told us she said they were on the way, so they were gonna whip her ass and jump her.
Right here.
Ain't nobody jumping nobody.
Okay, go in
Look,
the
she's
house.
recording.
Police, no police. Nobody called him. Nobody called him.
Jesus Christ.
Show me where they're saying come up and fight. How old are you guys?
I'm 17.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 14. She said,
What in the hell are you guys doing running around? Okay. Yeah.
Waiting for that bitch. Whoa.
Okay.
That bitch is bored. Y'all need to hurry. Can y'all hurry? Okay, that's just them arguing.
Okay, well tell them it's not past curfew. It's 8:50.
I don't.
and here's her.
No jumping, right?
She sent us the address and then talking about us. And then talked about my mom, all that.
Zoe said we can meet down the road. I can't go far. The pawn shop that's across the road. That police got cameras behind him. And then she was sending nudes. Girl, I ain't gonna do it because you guys are pressed. I can't leave. I'm not supposed to be in Illinois. I'll go to juvie. Nobody calling the cops. If you can beat my ass, come do it.
I tell myself, go.
Yeah.
I'm telling you,
So
go.
once it's all over, just
She wants to talk about autistic kids.
Yeah, she
And a whole bunch of other shit.
She brought up, and she brought up my hoodie and stuff. I have a video of that.
Fuck.
who? All right. So you care to get their information for me? I'm gonna go over here.
I'm gonna turn my shit off. You wasting my gas. Oh, we got a boat. Oh my God, that's all we got.
Well, I don't know why you talk.
And we ain't even. I ain't did nothing. Hey, look. Chill out.
Notice what the officer is doing here. He's trying to find the starting point. And legally, that matters. When 10 people are yelling at once, officers aren't looking for the loudest person. They're looking for who escalated this from online trash talk to real-world confrontation.
You guys came here.
Okay, I know you guys think you're like really hard.
I don't.
Go the f over there. You know how many times I'm here at this house? Go.
But they wanted to run it with us.
Okay, but that's fine. But it's always this house and you kids starting. Just go. Just go. Go. See ya. Thank you.
Bro, what?
God damn.
She said she was gonna jump me, and I'm right here. That's
Okay.
just
Which
simple
one
as
said
that.
they were gonna jump you?
All of them. They're grown-ass
I
men,
know,
too.
but obviously this started between you and one other person, correct?
Okay, because she called her phone. She started saying shit about me, so I hopped on the phone. And then the little ugly one over there with the big forehead.
So
And I dropped my address, and they came here, and now you guys showed up.
And then the grown-ass men were saying they was going to jump in, too. That's a whole-ass charge.
I hear ya, but I'm still trying to wrap my head around everything's going on.
Because they're pussies.
They literally called tripping on her for no reason, and then they literally said on the phone to jump her. And they asked for the low. She sent the location. They were all talking shit in a group chat to each other. They all show up. They pull up fast as hell through this alleyway. And
Anyone jumping, we're jumping in. Bitch, you're grown as.
So
Nothing. The messages have her asking for them to come here and
know, I
fight. So they just need to they need to go in and they need to leave.
But it was over the phone.
Okay, but when they pull up after giving them the address,
They said they were going to walk in the house.
but they're not.
but it needs to be what they're using their phones for needs to be monitored because it's.
But if
I was here last week that I worked. It's
Let them do it.
always the same
If they
thing.
If they want to run in the house,
When
guess what?
they
Then
were
I can
throwing
really
rocks
do
and they all
something.
ran
But
here
as far as
and got
They
chased.
blocked literally. That's why
I
we
don't.
came
I don't
outside.
care.
Okay.
I don't care.
And here comes the legal reality check. Showing up to a location after threats are flying, that changes everything. Just because someone sends an address doesn't automatically mean welcoming. Intent matters, and police are now seeing this as more than teenage drama.
Am I free to go?
Not yet. Getting ready to be though.
Thank God. Sir, I ain't did nothing either.
I didn't do anything anyway either.
Hell yeah. You know I didn't do nothing. I got pulled over for nothing.
Oh, he's pissed.
Where are you?
They brought the door. Okay, so all you guys are going to leave. You're not going to come back. Because if I come back, you two are going to jail.
What we do?
Because you guys shouldn't even be here. You guys are legal.
And you guys are all
You guys are
trespassing this
adults.
residence. So if you
Yeah.
guys show up, you
So
will go
they're
to jail
saying
for
that
criminal
you guys
trespass to property.
You assaulted them. It's
No,
aggravated
no,
because
no. Wait,
listen,
I don't
listen.
care.
What I'm saying, you're not going to talk. They're saying one thing, you guys are saying another.
Did you catch that? We're going to jail. The mood just shifted instantly. 5 seconds ago, people were arguing. Now the possibility of actual consequences enters the chat. And suddenly this isn't entertainment anymore.
You guys are saying another.
I showed
Watch
him
the video
proof.
right there. Okay.
I showed him
Listen
proof.
Okay.
what I'm saying. I
Yes,
can take
but
you to jail. But if you guys
exactly.
show back up,
But
I'm
you
going
guys are
to.
all talking back and forth, and when you guys show up to do something unlawful, just because they sent you the address doesn't mean you need to show
I
up.
called my little cousin and the girl answered. The one that was
Started it.
and
We just
told
can't come
me
get our cousin.
it was
Okay.
forcing me out.
That's the whole thing that happened.
Okay.
Is this
They can
playground?
next time?
No, because
Who started it? Who flipped it?
She started.
We were just all playing. We were all the same.
We're done. We're done. Everybody go get into a vehicle.
I'll get. I'll pull
I'm going with stadium.
Hey, we going to jail.
Yeah, see, she
Hey, Ariana, you're 18.
I don't care.
Hey, yo, it's all good. It's all good.
I fucking doing
It's all
shit
good.
to them and I want to.
It's all good.
Go to your respected areas.
Let's go back, bro.
Everybody getting drunk.
Yeah, you're all good. You're all good.
Hey,
Yeah, it's all
Yes.
good.
Alex, we free to go.
Yeah, as soon as if you can figure out how to get out.
Okay. All right, y'all say we free to go.
I'm gonna move so they can leave.
This right here is the moment things go from messy to legally dangerous. Once officers start giving commands during a detention, resisting, even emotionally in the heat of the moment, can stack new charges on top of old problems. And things can snowball fast.
They can leave. God, I'm so tired of dealing with these. Hang on. Okay, or don't. Or don't, hang on. Come on.
I'm not fucking playing.
Go.
Put it in their mouth.
Okay,
I'm not fucking
you run
playing.
your mouth all the time.
I do.
Go.
You're right. Stop fucking touching
Just
me.
go. You're gonna end up going to jail. You're 18. You will go up there and
19.
sit.
They're
Underage.
No.
They're underage.
I heard you wanted to fight them. You want to go to jail?
I'm trying to get them out.
I know. I'm trying to too.
I'm just trying to get them out of here. Look, if it
You're
makes
good.
you any better,
You're good.
I'll help them out of here and I will walk that way.
You're good. You can go.
Yo.
let go of me. Let go of me.
Yo, calm down. No, it's okay. It's okay.
Let go of me.
No,
It's
we're past
Just
okay.
look over. Just look over, please.
We're past. We're past it. I got one. I got one.
Hey, you don't gotta be aggressive.
Well, she doesn't have to resist either. So,
Sorry, it's okay. I'll get you out. Sorry.
Get the off of me. I didn't do.
We'll get you out.
Get the fuck off of me.
Put cuffs on.
Get the fuck off of me.
You don't gotta be aggressive.
she doesn't
have to resist.
I have marks on my fucking wrist. Stop moving.
Okay, well then stop fighting.
Stop fucking pulling off. You guys are gonna rip them back open.
Well, stop fighting.
Get the
You act
fuck
like you
off
don't know how this
Get
goes.
the fuck off of me. I ain't going to jail for shit I didn't do shit.
Well,
You're going to jail now.
For what?
Aggravated.
Resisting, obstructing,
How the aggravated assault? I didn't hit nobody.
doesn't matter. Assault is the saying you're gonna do.
No, I'm telling him to pick up my vape. Grab my phone.
Sit.
I ain't staying in here.
Ariana Smith, 95.
I didn't do shit.
Ari, where's your phone?
I didn't do.
Oh, but here's this.
I did not do shit, bro.
Oh, just
I'm not. No. I'm not doing this shit with y'all. I'm not doing it.
drag her through.
I'm going to.
I didn't do. They were arguing too. They should have been arrested too. Fuck this, bitch.
You can kick your window out.
Yeah, do it. What about the other people?
That were in the truck trying to leave, and she runs up to them saying she's going to beat their.
But they came.
No.
They came up here though.
Because they asked him to come here.
Go inside.
I'm not doing this with y'all.
And there's the ending nobody expects at the start of these videos. What began as online arguments, accusations, and pull-up threats ended with serious charges and a court date. Question for you. At what moment do you think this could have still been stopped? Because somewhere in this timeline, everything changed.
Get the off of me. Get off.
Why? What?
Get off.
Okay.
Get off.
You could slip them.
Yep.
You guys are ripping those back open.
Well, if you'd quit resisting, it wouldn't do
Get the
that.
fuck.
Ari, it's okay. It's okay. Ari.
No, it's not. I didn't do.
Make sure you get her glasses.
I'm not doing. I'm not doing.
She could just sit in the car.
Mike, Ari, it's okay. Just
No, it's not. They were arguing too. This is bullshit.
You got her glasses.
No, I have no idea. What color are they?
They're black. Sorry about that. Yeah. Oh, wait, never mind.
There they are.
Right, 493.
No, I don't think. Oh yeah.
I think that's their pepper spray. That she was getting ready to spray at them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Army 0 ZSO. Ariana Smith, 1095. Go ahead and advise county. She's being very combative.
Yeah. Whatever else she's got in her pockets is